So how about that, huh? Double hookup. Okay, we made it. We're here at Cambria. And it's shaping up to be a decent morning. Wind is fairly calm. Sun is just coming up. It's August 24th. And we're gonna get out there and see if we can't get some rock cod, maybe get lucky with a halibut or a big ling. All right, we made it. That was easy enough. All right, we are just about out to the kelp. About 40 to 50 feet of water. Probably gonna try to get out to about 60 or 70 after we get through the kelp here. So it's a beautiful day. Probably about 65 degrees. The fog is gone. There's no wind right now. Wind's supposed to pick up this afternoon though. So try to get in whatever fishing I can. But we're gonna try some rocky spots right out here. Okay, what do we have? Oh, just a bluefish. There we go. How's that? Got a lot of little guys down there. Okay, yep. Talk about little. It's like a baby blue. No, I don't think that's a copper rock cod. Okay, we got something on, and I got pretty big bait, so can't be too small. Yeah, it's pretty small. Little blue. Decent sized blue actually, but not what I'm looking for. So here's what my fish finder's looking like. I don't know how well that's going to show up, but oh, there we go. This is what the fish finder looks like. You can see the marks all down on the bottom. Some of that's fish, some of that, I don't know, it might be clutter, bait, but we'll see if we can get anything. Okay. We'll know. Got something on. Seemed to have a decent pull at first. Let's see what we got. say he's a keeper. Yeah. I don't know, they call that a starry eye. Not quite sure. But we'll have something for dinner tonight. All right, on the stringer. So I found some rocky spots down here with some fish on them, so that's what I dropped down for. And this is kind of my usual setup for rock cod, and just a double squid hook up with some real squid on top of that, and about a 3-ounce weight. I'm in about it's like I'm in about 90 feet of water right here. I'd like to get at least 2 rock cod, and it's a blue. Pretty good size. I don't know if these things are any good to eat. Pretty fish, anyway. Looks like my hookup bait produced. I don't know, it's the biggest one today though. Oh, looks like, yeah, looks like a ling. Not big enough. Yeah. There we go. Wow. Look at the teeth on that thing. Pretty big teeth. Let's see if I can get the kind of swallowed it here. Come on, baby. Ooh. All right. There he goes. All right, we got another one on the hookup. A rock cod. I don't know what they call this one. Maybe this is a copper. I'm only guessing because it has a copper color. Ooh. Nice looking one. So we're gonna go ahead and put him on the menu tonight as well. So there's our 2 so far. Not real impressive, but beats being at work today. So here's what I'm using that's working pretty good now. I've got these, I think they're like 1.25 ounce hookup baits, and I've got a double And boy, there's a lot of action with this. So far, so good. All right, we got another one on the line. Yeah, okay. Looks like a big blue. This is the biggest one I've had so far. And I was just told that these are pretty good to eat, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on the bucket. Put them in the bucket. Yeah, he's a good size one. All right, like that, huh? Not bad. All right. Let's see if I can get him on here without dropping him. He's kind of slimy. All right, starting to fill up a little bit. All right, well, wasn't too bad of a day. Got a couple blues, couple rock cod, one ling cod that wasn't quite legal. So not too bad. The hookup baits definitely saved the day. I think I only had caught like 2 fish before I switched over. And another guy I was talking to, he was using a hookup bait, and he said he caught 5 lings on it. So yeah, the hookup bait really does the job. Unfortunately, they were all too small today. So the wind is up, and I'm gonna head on in. Right there. Go back.